Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at euro dollar. Right, this is a very interesting pair because I just want to show you guys something. Let's start off with the daily. We see that the euro dollar has actually been in a sort of a zigzag pattern, but whatever it is, it's also been going higher. However, interesting to note is that it seems to be approaching a key level, right? I just want to focus on this area, alright? Just focus on this area alone. Okay, so I show you guys, we can actually use Fibonacci extension to check out this zigzag, and it looks like price has indeed come close to the 100%. Okay, so 100% is a key Fibonacci extension level. So if anything, we should expect price to test this 100%, and then we see a pullback. Okay, so of course I'll put the support level in. I have a support level over here, which is just a graphical support. Okay, because I want to go down to the lower time frame on a 4-hour to tidy up the charts. Okay, another thing to note is that we have this sort of rising trend line, alright, connecting the highs. Okay, just to show you, I take a trend line starting from here. Okay, I connect the highs, something like that. We actually see that price comes close to testing this trend line again. It is in line with the 100%. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, so it's something like that. We see price testing it once here, came close once, and of course over here was the point of origin. So if anything, this rising trend line can act as sort of a resistance level. Okay, so again, like I said, price is approaching this target, so that should be where we expect price to push up and then reverse. Now we can actually use a retracement from this low all the way to where price currently is, because that's where the real recent price movement starts. Okay, open all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, we see that 23.6 is the first level. It's actually close to this graphical swing high. Okay, so we can have the 23.6 over here. So this is the first support, and of course the next level, breaking 23.6, we should see price go to the 61.8. Okay, which is the graphical overlap in close. All right, there is a graphical overlap in this region here. Alright, so I'm just going to leave these two levels, the 23 and the 61.8. Okay, something like that. So this is of course the very super long term support, so on the daily, so we can actually just ignore it for now. But what I'm expecting price to do is actually do sort of a pullback, right, from this resistance level. Okay, let's just try to tidy it up on the 1 hour. I just want to just check out something. Okay, on the 1 hour there isn't any clear price action. Okay, we can also check with a trend line. We see a price is holding strongly on this trend line. A break of this trend line will show a clear drop. Alright, so if anything, okay, this can be our stop loss. Okay, I will actually back it up a bit to give the trade a bit of room to breathe. Okay, and the recent high as sort of a sell entry. Alright, and then of course this as a partial take profit, 23% as a partial take profit. And this 61.8 as the full take profit. Alright, I'll zoom back out to the 4-hour chart to make it nicer to see. Okay, so again, I back up my stop loss above the 100%, because should price break above, alright, it will mean that we have surpassed a key Fibonacci extension level. At the same time, okay, we have surpassed this this rising trend line. Okay, so for these two reasons, the bearish idea will be invalidated. Alright, remember the stop loss is always the level where we are sure we are wrong. Last but not least, we can actually check with indicators such as stochastics. Okay, I like to use Fibonacci numbers here and give a bit more room for the stochastics to show up whether it's really testing resistance as well. Alright, so you see every time the stochastics reaches the resistance, alright, there is quite a strong reversal in price. Okay, over here once, and over here, right, there's a strong reversal. Let me move this one side. Right, when price came close to the resistance here, there's also another strong reversal. Over here, there's a small reversal, but still a strong one. And over here, recently, there's also a strong reversal. So now price is coming close. Alright, we can expect to see a reversal as well. Okay, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day of Euro Dollar. I hope today's session has been an informative one, and I wish you guys all the best, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.